Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Toyota Yaris with a key. First, make sure your vehicle is in a safe, level spot. Insert your key completely into the ignition. Confirm the gear selector is firmly in park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to start the engine. Now, turn the key to the on position to activate the dashboard lights and accessories. Once the accessories are powered, it's time to crank the engine. Turn the key firmly to the start position. You'll hear the engine turn over. Hold the key in this position for just a few seconds until the engine catches and begins to run smoothly. As soon as it starts, release the key and it will spring back to the on position automatically. Sometimes, your Yaris might not start immediately. If you hear a clicking sound but no engine turnover, your battery might be low. Check the battery terminals for corrosion and ensure they are tight. Also, make sure the steering wheel isn't locked, which can prevent the key from turning. Always confirm you are using the correct key for your specific vehicle. To ensure reliable starting, proper key maintenance is important. Keep your key clean and avoid getting it wet or exposing it to extreme temperatures. When inserting or turning the key, use gentle pressure, never force it. Having a spare key is always a good idea, especially if your primary key shows signs of wear or damage. This helps prevent future starting troubles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.